soldier. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, baby.
Ladies and gentlemen, hey, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Quanjanette, and today I am going to be getting my ear pierced. I'm super excited. Alright, y'all, so I am going to be getting my ear pierced today. It's really technically re-pierced. I might get another piercing. I don't know yet. I haven't made up my mind. I'm super nervous. Anyways, so if y'all don't know, I really don't know how many piercings I have. I'm gonna count them and then I'm gonna also tell y'all because I really need to figure it out. But I have 2 holes here. I don't know if y'all can see. Hopefully y'all can't see. I have 2 holes here. I have 4 holes in this ear. And then I had this done. My sideburn, this is what I'm getting re-pierced today. And I have my industrial, and then I have 3 holes on this side because my 4th one closed on that side. So today I am going to be going to Corrected Body Piercing, and Corrected Body Piercing is located in Sumter, South Carolina, in Florence, South Carolina. If y'all are near, I highly recommend y'all go get your ears pierced. They do every piercing you would ever imagine, they do it. So make sure y'all go get y'all piercings, period. Yeah. And so like I said, I'm gonna be getting my sideburn. People call it like the anti-tragus, all the other stuff. But yeah. And then I'm also going to be getting earrings to put in my ears. So I'm gonna just talk with y'all and show y'all the process of me bedazzling my ears. I'm super excited.
Safe to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. Put some ice, but you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I could've kept from choosing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me.
Hey guys, welcome to
We good?
Are we?
That thing actually recording.
Welcome to whatever part. Ooh. Is this sugar free gum?
It's regular good, bro.
It hurt my teeth.
Just who eats sugar? Who eats gum with sugar in it?
There is gum with sugar.
But like, who buys that anymore?
I wonder what's going on out there.
Wow, this is very interesting. Let's
Pay
go there instead.
Oh, my eyes.
You good?
Anyways, welcome to whatever part of this vlog this is, because at this point I have no idea.
Yeah.
But we are going bowling.
Okay. Both our video.
No, this is my video.
Oh, I'm not talking
Both
that
our
lame
videos?
junk, bro.
We don't even do videos anymore.
Wow.
And if y'all don't know, this is my fiance of mine.
Bro, I'm not talking to Kim, bro. If it ain't our video, I don't want to be in it.
We used to have.
I don't want to be in it.
I ain't smacking on his gum. We used to have a YouTube channel, but
Wait, well, I'm confused.
so we still do have a YouTube channel.
Oh, so that's what we going at. So now you breaking up with me on YouTube world. That's what
That is
bro,
so childish.
are you serious?
I feel greasy. Anyways,
Are you serious? So why are you lying to the people? I thought we had a YouTube channel. Shouldn't you be promoting our YouTube channel on this channel?
I do promote our YouTube channel on this channel. Go subscribe to me and my YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, we will be posting more on there. I looked at our channel today. We posted a video a month ago. We could keep that up.
Bro.
A video a week. Anyways. We're going. Oh, this is my fiance and mine. We have been together for 9 years.
What?
All that lovey-dovey stuff.
You got the wrong year.
Anyways,
Bro,
we're going bowling.
We been together for like 11 years, dog.
Don't make me slap you. Anyways, you gonna have to get over.
Oh, why is that?
Cause it's lanes.
Oh.
I should have drove. Okay, I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get to the bowling alley. Because obviously,
right here, right?
no, keep going straight. Okay, hold up. I got 8. of the egg. It's medium whole. My eyes don't know he's about to give me some work.
Oh, look. I got 10. I got 10 and 8. I don't really know.
That first one had me a little nervous, but that second bowl gonna have my eyes come back shook. Let's get his reaction. I don't know why they got this corny behind Santa Claus, whatever it is, pagan holiday thing on the thing, but we about to change it. You can't see my name.
Yeah.
You see it? I got a 9. Get better than that. You see me. Oh, you gotta wait till it goes to the right score though. But tune into him and his things. Go ahead. Go ahead. Put on a show.
Just a little chance got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, I'm feeling a smile. Still wanna
Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Yeah, get right, get right, get right, get right. Tap in.
try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days in my mind. Throw me on my fears, my limitations. I disappear if you let me.
Tap in. That boy is tapping out under pressure. He cannot handle the pressure.
Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe. We lost this shit, gotta hold my own, but first to bed alone night. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit, get good, baby.
7? Yo, no way. He got hit 2 of them, bruh. He got hit 2 of them. You're gonna fold. There's no way you're gonna fold. Woo. This is the game-winning shot. Will he fold? Or will he? He goes in. We're having some backdrops. No. Yeah! Victory! Victory! Wait, what? Oh, victory! Victory is mine! Y'all see it, you see it, we see it. Oh. Y'all see it. Victory. Sir. How does it feel to have lost by such a close game?
Hey, we do another one.
Alright, y'all heard the man. We running it back. Am I under pressure? Or just that strike? Will he do it? Oh man, dang. Couldn't even have showed y'all the butt cut that man received. You can't receive. 102? Stop playing with me. I'm out of breath. I did me a little dance.
What am I doing wrong, man?
I tried to give him some tips, y'all. I used to teach a bowling class back in my days.
Nah, bro. I forgot the steps.
I'm screaming. You got it. Make this one count. You need some. Wait a minute. That is cool. We bowling out food.
Heavy on my empty mindset. I can't lose it, just a man. Still worried that I wasted the best of me on your face. You don't care. Times I be a nuisance, it's just
and her little twin.
Kai, say what's up.
Saying. Yeah, Logan.
Get out the car.
She don't want to get out. What you rate your food?
Say one.
At least she posing.
Stop, you pulling my hair.
Come in the shade so I can see.
Go, girl.
Mine was an 8 out of a 10 because the
Wait.
wings was good.
Oh. Why is it? Okay, this is so much. Okay, y'all gotta do it again. Okay, Ma. Wait, okay, what you say your food was? Put her shirt up.
Oh, okay. I rate it as a 3.
A 3. A 3 out of 10. And what you
Mine
rate your
was
food?
an 8.
A 8.
My wings was good.
Miracle.
Fries was salty.
What you rate your food?
You think I see anything growing?
Yeah.
So I would say miracle.
Probably a 5.
Say 5.
Say 5.
5.
She said 5. Okay. I would rate mine the same as mommy. 3 out of 10. It was not that good.